Oh my goodness. What? Fabulous people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, this is your fabulous fab friend Jacky Navarro. Some of you have watched my snail scrub review, so this is my first impression review, but today I will show you on how to properly use the snail scrub. And of course, I will share with you guys my super favorite combo, whitening combo as of the moment. So of course, this is the Dechano Whipp and White. And the super trending Dechano Milky Sugar Snail Scrub Super Whitening. So by the way guys, beware of fake snail scrub. This one is authentic because it has FDA number. You would really know that this is safe, and they also have labels, and you would see the quality of the product is really done nicely. So this is 150 grams. It has 10 balls inside. One ball, you can use it up to you. You can use it 4 times, 5 times. What I normally do is I divide it, but today I will show you on how to properly use the snail scrub and how I do my everyday routine on taking a bath. So if you want to see how I do my daily routine using this two lovely whitening combo, just keep on watching. It feels really good. It feels like you're just playing a clay. So let's add a few drops of water. You would see some slimes already. So just keep on mixing it or like pressing it until you get that desired slime effect. Ooh, look at that. Yes. Oh my gosh, that is so nice and slimy. Oh my, can you see that? Wow. So that's how you use, or this is how you properly use the snail scrub balls. Ooh, I love it. Can you see that? It's just amazingly slimy. Ooh, I love it. So let me just spread it on my hands. Yay! Ooh, yeah. Oh my goodness. It's just so satisfying looking at it. Like, look at all that snail slime. Listen to the sound. That is just very satisfying. Then you can start applying it all over your body and you would feel the sugar, the serum. Oh yes. So just leave it like this for 4 minutes. Look at that. Ooh, yes. Leave it on my legs. Yes, my legs. Look at that. And then after using this snail scrub, next is I will use the Dechano Whipp and White Milky Snail soap. This is my finishing touch so that my skin will feel smoother and look smoother. You don't have to apply any lotion with this one. So let's go ahead and apply that. So my hands are still wet. Alright, so when you open it, it has a zip lock, and then inside soap, and it comes with this net. The packaging is really nice. just put this inside the net and you can just tie it and lock the soap inside. So I will just wet the soap. It feels really good and thick and creamy, you guys. Look at this. Ooh. Oh yes, another snail serum, you guys. Really slimy, amazing. Slimazing. So that's my hashtag. So for today, that's gonna be my hashtag. Comment down below, hashtag Slimazing. So let's go ahead and start applying it on my skin, and it feels really nice, really thick, really soft. So in this part, what I normally do is I'll start shampooing my hair while this is still on my skin. So I want to leave it around 3 to 4 minutes as well. So thick. It's foamy. It's really foamy. I love it. I just love it. There you go, guys. I'm done. It feels really smooth. Great combo. There you have it, Fab friends. That is how you use the snail scrub balls and of course the Whip and White soap. And if you try this, or if you want to try this, just comment down below so our Fab friends will know what you think about this two combos. And don't forget our hashtag Slimazing. And I will do a giveaway on this lovely products. I will post it on my Instagram or my Facebook page on the instructions. So follow me on my Instagram and Facebook account. So I will just show it here. So that's it for today, guys. As always, stay fabulous and have a healthy skin. As always, I love you and I will see you again in our next video. Bye!